Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TV GH. So, what friend me, I draw a searching.
Oh, NPP, you 2 NPP ni. Asabna me bekaniti ni. Men sacrifice your political career. Men sacrifice your future in NPP. We year day in NPP. We year day in politics. We year day. Ewa brabom. Men sacrifice it. So we defend it. Obia NPP mono when who say tam. Now so he is bent on destroying NPP. Men ya da mistake in it. Can I Japan NPP mono? No benya bia when you who say tam. On one end mutum no so a taxi driver US Assin. And ne can I Japan a billionaire. Can I Japan a billionaire? US ya mete. Obi anywa wachi taxi or even $10,000 said an account to. Obi anu obetimi achi taxi. US ya ba be millionaire na campus billionaire. Ne Canada Japan ne MPP. Adaro my MPP na mana ba be or the four. Ne otimi tu ne ho sem. Our 278. Our fleet of flashy, luxurious cars. But US ya be fear can Japan or say. Nemba bra US ya be school papa or moko. School fees I can see I would tria. Can Japan because of MPP. He will never go broke. Ondi here than a man here that Nebusia phone here than a nana no in here that. But who MPP youth, who MPP ni, was some party for several years. You don't even own a bicycle in your name. Kioso cry umbobi. Ejuma pakura wouldn't be yet. And you want to destroy your life, your political career. You want to sacrifice your future in MPP by defending Obi or no when yan a hotam. I will say, on do best say MPP. All my MPP in power beam. Oh, say our life. Some of you. My future CEOs, my future ministers, my future party executives, more MPP babe mama mwenya positions I can see. I improving my brabo. Ama monso mabusia enya baby edu mutiato. And you want to sacrifice it to advance the parochial interest of Ubia or no on fan hokra. Can I Japan MPP abem nanado time. Contracts are unya energy ministry nkwa sika PM about 1 billion Ghana cedis. Only more one kase yenke kan mebunu ni bimbo mu na yemfa contract ba komo no so munya bibinyo munya sika nso omobotum. Contract our sika PM millions of Ghana cedis. One kada empo say me kwa kwahwehwe mebunu ba ko mienu miensa bi na me dey change your lives. They know they and so they told luxurious cars. We are no upon home kakra no they are donation am MPP. No a check cameras and central for no more publishing no the two who know the journey. He doesn't care about you watching. We are right now that can you pick phone to call Canada Japan say on coming to your aid. Now bet me I sakra and consider ben now there ube who are beg. Rather say ube yusu energy and the aye campaign am MPP. Ama MPP aba power now so wenya bibia ye no udi ho oti social media na would defend you obi a wenya ne ho awi a on care about you on fa ho our person was say MPP na edi yedie ebebro hwe omo mudi alance machin echi koye ko check your my brabo majority of them oma make you 10 aba back to MPP mu. You see, individuals will come and go. Individuals, they will come and go. But MPP will always be there. MPP will always be MPP. Now, yane say, would the individual be echi? Eko heti MPP, ye BBTI MPP. Always, ye be yusu etia. People will remind you of that. Because had decided, ye be deny you opportunity was sefata. Opportunity a juma na as a position be a was a fata. People will use it against you all the time. All the time. Until we are babunu, we are party ni. At this juncture, at this point in our political life, in our party, Nasa also who defend Canada Japan. Me say jini hu mienu. Jini wa bra bom jini wa nkasa o political career. Jini hu ye babuna jene ho me party there are people that I look up to. So for if at any point in time I'm rebel against NPP, almost sorry to NPP, I will never follow them. I will never follow them. I will always be loyal and committed to NPP. I will never follow you. I will never follow you, regardless of Papa Wayamami. Who yes say would see NPP sweat to ya. I will never follow you. Into your baby. At this point, put your own life, your own political career, your own interest, your future ahead of everything. Prioritize that. And stop say we defending Kenya Japan say we're investing in NPP. And Nipan clearly a chantro. And they say NPP. And you are defending him. Me say NPP. Kenya Japan to me MPP in the opposition. 2029 yeah power. Regardless of new obey yeah power. Until we MPP niya. Reason up. Like wise up.
Bako ayeti say me magana phone na hu say obi a wako election a waboka ewo MPP mu a ebetimi aka say wako election a anka walusu esese nka na aban na bamubu engineer Kwabreje Japan wonna da nanado danko Akufo-Addo emra yewura Akufo free so ne ko election olusu yi na bama mbu Papa Kroya ebe pre general secretary obini ye saji free ni nsem wankasa odini sika tini Ghana na akwa election o enyen azeketwa ye gifree ni nsem so ngotena fie wasaba back any Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebe call contest wasaye dey elusi ni buamfu odaso ti party ni said ye party ni na ayano ono the party ni no dey Osum no the party ni sie no or the boni ani die di mano enti obi a wakọ election mienu endi 4 years impo na papai na bama budie na okeka nsem a ensem vata de megiri say is a time a ese party no e kana credit share no na mete say ese party for no kosia the party for no kosia no menimie say ye nua bi a oye na yakra Presido, no Eastern Region, I am Deputy Tescom Coordinator. Our national always pay Okosia Nadia, our monone, or no any short letter, but they come out party no, meaning Midili say a nunti and a party in penny for quiet day, a cottonaso, Messer or Momo Kono Cottonasia, or Mon fat decision, a bema party ma, Masoya or Mo Casano, a bema on a niaje. Na me ma drain die na nka mesero mo se ehunhia se nkomo kotena so krom befre owura Canada akompre ko Japan e basa e be mani trimu aye ne de na oba na opia bontin a poison eyi oba beto tokura de oba be kan de ma kan ne de man kan na de abeto abontin omosimi obey mi say because what me can say or say on this cabe no njai contest no president say on this cabe bo skedin say onje na onja contest na ode kon sani pano woni ka asum sembia enye wa bona ni trimu po awie enti yenja ma no so no a pese otena party ni ma ontena ombeso obetena so a onko na party na bre no na party no sejon bai wa uko Jacobeche bi lante wa uko empanifo bebre bai o ma wadubu an mu na uko CK mo o mu na o ma uko empanifo akesi a mo be ye adwuma ma party no ene omuna edey ewuko omuni wo ye current chairman nyame ene kusolumu a odete wo ene ne ho mfa no ye pena ye hunu osayale ofiri mu no party na enseye o party ni wo ho obi foforo na etutu na chi voice asema me pese me kan na se ye nsema ye kan wa afa Canada Japan hu na no de ebeboa pa esese ye as a party man say obia ni mobia na odi Canada kompre ko achi ewo ne constituency me mashase mi hu se waye na adwen se obekwa akodi the base achi no me de me ye ne se omo amodi na achi omo me constituency na no matwe me ho aben omo a me ni omo di nkomo a me make sure se metwe omo aban party no na omo hu se omo obi kan omo woni do na di nkomo a omo asem omo kan se omukodi debate echi no as a party no nhyeda nti omanim yedai enche omo nti mesre mi nuanom se mumaye na yenko omo nchen omasem kanye de wo ba omo one on one na omo mani dia omo ba bebre no omo ndimo omo ya no omo postu no omo ko TikTok obi ko live no ma ba omo ye debate on bekasa no omo jai omo me constituencies ma wo so omo jai ebi atiade so mbe NPP adwuma ma wo se bi no omo TikTok ro omo de ba omia omo asesa na omo yi Kennedy debate omo sign omo ye na free wo ebi mo nso me hu se omo kasa biem omo se omo guso omo de omate me se omo kasa me ne omo kasa omo hwa de enti mo didie se ye na ye kasa kire omo wo ye constituency na ebeboa ama yetimi to the base na se ebetimi amboa na yama Kennedy Japan wa ye mre no hu se onu obi aso otwa na chi na o he na chi no hu se omo di na chi ni na se omo na ni na chi biem na omo di MPP achi ama back to MPP a obo hu se onyu obi afa ni dede na wo ye ni na no ebe ma na giant mi sire mi nuanom momboa me na ye ndi sa adwuma die no e wo ye constituency ni ye mantemu a ye wo ye nuanom a omukodi na chi no ye nhyɛ ase no omo nkasa ne ye ma omo se Kennedy Japan ye pese me nkuminya ono nko ane de no ye dey opɛ ondwen omo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ono na bedwen wo mo ho ono na dwen Ghana da achi nto mo bɛka ye ho nya adwumaden ye mfa Dr. Mbra so mo bɛba na se omo bɛba ba ye adwuma bɛfa ye nsɛm akɔde a omo njai na se omo ba ni na bɛkonkoden na de doctor aba bɛsi akonya no so de a omo bɛka ye ho nyentu anamo na de se doctor banso a ye be make sure se ye betai wo nachi na de omo se fata no mo nsaka enti voice me de manu besia na de o nso so onto aso na ma hye obi ankran se bibia nu ebetimi asesa Dr. Mahmood Bawumia win bibia nu wo na se Kennedy say obeti ne party a onkote me den say shada ebebiti no Alan bebiti no even political party bi ebeba bia bebiti no no obeba last because omo di na chi no ebe hu se ono onka no kure MPP mu no free call na wono enyanti ena so okote ne party nyese party no ena wodwen no e ono anu hu no e dey odwen me da ase me de manu asi
wants us to be. This is exactly only obisa or thriving in chaos. You have to remain tactical and strategic. That's all I'm saying. Menka say be my team did not. No, but I'm saying say. We say na ya bet na say no. See na ka say did not tell ya can say ya dia chena. It won't go anywhere. Nothing will happen. He will still continue what he wants to do. But leaders na yenya entrusted one with power no Equots na say come up with the concrete solution. I don't think say they say I share your attention ya na dey free NDC force the papa pay you know. Distraction, that was the point.
Silence no. Na ya di ni silence. We can do it. My sister, we can do it. Oh,
he's not here.
This time,
1 minute now. Don't see my wife.
They should get up and do the needful, because at the end of the day, when they do the needful, you and I will not be sitting here discussing another internal party member, but